Let's learn Moonlight Woman. It's choreographed by Christopher Gonzalez and Roy Verdonk. It is a 36 count 4-wall absolute beginner level line dance with no tags and no restarts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts. Talk about the ending, and then we're going to go through and dance 4 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Moonlight Woman. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to do heel switches. So you're going to place your right heel forward, step your right next to your left, place your left heel forward, step your left next to your right. We're now going to do a V step. So we're going to step our right foot forward into the right diagonal, step your left foot into the left diagonal, step your right foot back center, and step your left next to your right. So let's try that with some counts. Weights on your left doing your heels. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2, we're going to cross rock our right over our left, recover back onto your left foot, step your right foot to the right side. We're going to hold and clap our hands. You're now going to cross rock your left over your right, recover back onto your right foot, step your left foot to the left side. We're going to hold and clap our hands. So let's try that with some counts. Weights on your left doing your cross rock. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3, we're going to do a jazz box quarter turn with a cross. So you're going to cross your right over your left, step back with your left, make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping your right foot to the right side to face 3 o'clock, and then cross your left over your right. We're going to step our right foot to the right side, and as we step to the right, we're going to bump our hips. So we're going to bump right, left, and your weight is on your left foot. So let's try that with some counts, doing your jazz box, crossing over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 4, we're going to do hip rolls. So your weight's on your left, you're going to roll your hips from left to right or counterclockwise. So you're going to roll them around from left to right, and then we're going to do that again. Roll your hips around from left to right, putting your weight back onto your left foot. We're now going to do a right rocking chair. You're going to rock forward with your right foot, recover back onto your left, rock back with your right foot, recover forward on your left. So let's try that with some counts. We're doing our hip rolls. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 5 is only 4 counts long, and you're going to do a rocking chair. So we're going to rock forward with our right foot, recover back onto your left, rock back with your right foot, recover forward on your left. And that is the whole dance. So let's try that with some counts, just doing your rocking chair. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it 1 time through with steps, 1 time through with counts. Weight is on your left, you're doing your heels. Right heel, left heel, V step, out, in, cross, rock, side, clap, cross, rock, side, clap. Jazz box quarter turn with a cross, hips right, left, hip roll, rocking chair. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left, starting with your heels. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that is the whole dance. So now let's talk about the ending. Your final wall will be facing 3 o'clock. You'll dance the first 8 counts and then make a quarter turn to the left, stepping your right foot to the right side. So let's try just those first 8 counts, and then we'll make our quarter turn. Starting with your heel switches, it's right heel, left heel, V step, out, in. You're going to turn over your left shoulder, step your right foot to the right side to face 12 o'clock, and that is how you will end the dance. So now let's go around. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, I'm going to do counts. We're going to dance 4 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows. Weight is on your left, starting with your heel switches. Right heel, left heel, V step, out, in. Cross, rock, side, clap, cross, rock, side, clap. Jazz box quarter turn, cross hips right, left, hip roll, rocking chair. Start over, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right. Heel left, heel V-step. Cross, rock, side, clap. Cross, rock, side, clap. Jazz box quarter, turn, cross, hips right, left, hip roll, rocking chair, start over. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. You'll then dance the front wall, do your 8 counts, and then do your ending. The dance is nice and short, but it gives you the opportunity to practice some steps. So now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rear demo, so you can practice as much as you would like, so you can hopefully go out and dance this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn Moonlight Woman. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.